Two bills have been passed to protect the rights of Muslim women. The first to protect a woman financially in the event of a divorce, and the second, which is on the verge of becoming a law, to prevent an instantaneous triple talaq from leaving her utterly abandoned. But the question remains, will this piece of legislation improve the lives of Muslim women? At the helm of the Triple Talaq campaign is Shayara Bano, whose husband divorced her via Talaqnama from Allahabad while she was visiting her parents' home in Uttarakhand. For millions of women just like her, an instant divorce has broken their lives. Thanks to her crusade, the practice of instant triple talaq was deemed unconstitutional and illegal and void. The debate over this practice may have won both the incumbent government and the opposition a lot of political brownie points, but it fails to make Islamic women feel secure and equip them to survive. For starters, the bill in its current form does not make alimony compulsory. It simply makes triple talaq punishable for up to 3 years in prison. And an ex-husband in jail means no alimony for the woman. Secondly, the bill allows anyone, even a third party, to claim a talaq was given, and this provision can be grossly misused. Whatever the situation, it leaves the decision for divorce entirely out of a woman's hands. But the extent of the problem is not just financial. Since polygamy is still legal under Muslim personal law, what stops a Muslim man from foregoing a divorce altogether, simply abandoning his wife and marrying another woman? Women like Nida Khan, Atiya Sabri, and Ishrat Jahan, who have already stood up against triple talaq, have faced insults, fatwas, and threats against their lives. One imam even declared that such women wouldn't be given medicine if they fall sick, or a proper funeral when they die. What recourse to justice do Muslim women have then? And finally, there is the argument of the validity of such an act. Disapprovers say that a blanket ban on the centuries-old practice violates an individual's right to freely practice their religion. Even Muslim women argue that the government should not interfere in Islam's Sharia laws. And the community in general fears the attack on Islam by a Hindutva government. The reason there was a need for a second bill is because the one that was passed in 1986 was not victorious enough for women. They still felt discriminated against. Sadly, this one doesn't do enough either, and no one seems to want to take any real responsibility for that. An overarching uniform civil code could replace personal laws like triple talaq. Watch this video to understand what this uniform civil code is, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the WTD News YouTube channel.